want to review these jogger pants with pockets. This is a really nice pants. I love this because the material is skin friendly, it's soft and comfortable. I like it so much, and comes with 2 pockets here in the front and 1 pocket here with bottom. So these pants are warm and very comfortable, especially to use in the winter or fall. So I love it. This color is great, and these casual pants are really nice to work out or running or make other activities. So I like this so much.